welcome to 1329 North 48th Place. This beautiful one-bed, one-bath home is located minutes away from Arcadia area. It's an absolute stunning. As we step inside, you will immediately notice the gorgeous dark wood flooring that flows through this entire home. This spacious living room is filled with natural lighting, create a warm and inviting atmosphere. As you also find a convenient storage closet, perfect for keeping your belongings organized. Next, let's head into the kitchen. This bright and welcoming space features beautiful white cabinetry, plenty cabinet storage, and a gas stove that's perfect for cooking your favorite meals. Just off the kitchen, you'll find a door that leads directly to your designated parking spot right outside, making grocery trips and unloading just a breeze. As we continue through this home, you'll find a hallway with a convenient stackable washer and dryer, giving comfort of your own home, making laundry easy. The bathroom has been beautifully updated with modern fixtures, sleek stainless steel hardware, creating a clean and contemporary feel. And finally, let's take a look at the bedroom. This spacious retreat features the same beautiful flooring through the unit, a ceiling fan to added comfort, plenty of natural lighting, and a generous walk-in closet. If this beautiful home is calling your name, do not wait and apply today.